16th annual Bowl Off. My name is Goldie Kelly, and this is my first year at the 16th annual Bowl Off with Immedia and NextSpace. And we're going to talk to people and see what they think about the event tonight.
I think this is an absolutely phenomenal event. No one else in the industry does anything like this.
We love how it brings all of the competition together in such a fun way. Takes us out of our day-to-day, the grind of everything, so we're super appreciative to just have a bunch of fun.
I'm having a great time. I've been here most of the 16 years, I think, and it's so exciting to watch it grow and expand and see new people come and then just see all the costumes.
It's so refreshing and so much fun. The thought that goes into it, all the entries amaze me.
When we started this the first time, we had like maybe 30 people. Tonight we have 300. So I think it's grown pretty well.
The best event we've ever had. We're expecting well over 300 people here tonight. We've gotten some of our best partners and friends here. We've got a bunch of newcomers to this event, a bunch of people that have been here for a long time.
I really like being able to talk to people in the industry and just having a good time, seeing people get loose after work and dress up.
And the costumes get better every single year.
I really like the Loraxes. They were really funny.
It's a great group. We love being here. We're excited to be here.
And how do you feel about the community that shows up for this event? And how long have you been coming to this event?
This is actually our 6th year. We came back this year as boys versus the women, something a little different.
Oh, it's fantastic. I mean, the atmosphere is great, the food, the drinks are fantastic, the people.
NextSpace Immedia has been great. We've worked with them over the years. We already have plans actually for next year and the year after. We already have it planned out, so we're ready. Great party every year. Never gonna miss it.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. What? Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. Show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. Why don't we get drunk and screw? What? Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body.
Folks, Immedia and NextSpace's 16th annual Bowl Off was a hit. We can't wait to see you all next year.